Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I will tell you how to do the sums of exercise 5.6. Yes students, in this exercise there are the sums of division, and here first sum is solve the following and check your answer. In these sums we have to firstly divide and after that we have to check the answer. Yes students, see how to do division here, and here you can see the divisor is of 2 digits. 2-digit divisor is there. Yes students, for this you will it's very compulsory for you that you must know the multiply tables. Yes, up to 20. Yes, so here I will tell you firstly B part. Statement is 93 divided by 17. Yes, this is exercise 5.6. First sum B part, 93 divided by 17. Yes, now here firstly we will write the table of 17. 17 zeros the 0, then up to 2 digits only I have written the table. Here these start 3 digits, we will not write the table after that because here only we are having 2 digits. Yes, so here students see it carefully. Here is 17. In the divisor there are the 2 digits, so from here we will take the 2 digits. Yes, now 17's table we will observe that what can be written under 93. Yes, here what are the numbers? Those are less than 93, 0, 17, 34, 51, 68, 85, and this cannot be written under 93. So what we will write? We will write 85 under 93. That is 17 5s the 85. Now we will do subtraction. Yes, 3 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here. It will become 13 and here we left 8. 13 minus 5, 8 will be there. 8 minus 8, 0 will be there. Yes, after that there is no digit to bring it downside, so here we will end our division. Yes, so this is the quotient, this is remainder. Yes, now we have to check the answer. How to check the answer? For checking the answer, students, one thing that you have to keep in your mind, that is this you have to keep in your mind, that dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Here firstly we will do multiplication. Multiplication of quotient and divisor. Yes, means these both will be multiplied. 17 multiplied by 5. 17 multiplied by 5. Yes, firstly we will multiply these, and after that what is the remainder? That is 8. We will add this 8. Yes, now 17 multiplied by 5. When we will multiply 17 by 5, we will get 85 plus 8. Then we will get 93. Yes friends, here we are getting 93. Now this we will match with our question. Yes, here it was 93. अगर दोनों आपस में मैच हो जाएं, then means our question is, our sum is right. Yes, so dividend is 93. Yes, so like this, अगर दोनों same आ जाएं, means our sum is correct. Like this, our sum is correct. Yes, now students, let's move to C part. What is the statement of C part? 87 divided by 12. Here firstly we will write the table of 12. Yes, 12 zeros the 0. 12 12 only 2 digits we will write. Yes, and here is 87. What can be written under 87? 84 can be written. It is 12 sevens the 84. 12 sevens the 84. Yes, now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 4 3, 8 minus 8 0. Yes, now we will draw the ending line. Now what to do? This is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor, and this is dividend. Now we will multiply this 7 and 12 for checking our answer. How to check? Yes, firstly quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Then quotient is 7 multiplied by 12. Firstly we will do this multiplication plus remainder. Yes, 12 sevens the 84 plus 3 we got 87, and in the question it was given to us 87, means our calculation is right. Yes, students, like this you have to do all the parts that I am leaving. These parts you will do by yourself. Now I will tell you. F part, 99 divided by 18. Yes, F part is there, 99 divided by 18. Yes, how to do this? Firstly we will write the table of 18. 18 zeros the 0, 18 ones the 18, 18 twos the 36, 18 threes the 54, 18 fours the 72, 18 fives the 90, 18 six the 108. Up to 2 digits only we will write the table. Yes, here now 99 is to be divided by 18. Now here from the table of 18 we will see what can be written under 99. This 90 can be written, 18 fives the 90. Now see, 18 5s the 90. Now we will do subtraction. Here 9, here 0. Now we will draw ending line because not any other digit is there. So 5 is quotient, 9 is remainder. Yes, now we will check our sum. Yes, quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. Yes, quotient is 5, divisor is 18, and remainder is 9. Firstly we will do multiplication. When we will do multiplication we will get 90 plus 9. Here is 99 and the question was given of 99. Yes, so our sum is correct. Yes, now we will move to sum number H, that is 91 divided by 14. Yes, for this we will do the we will write the multiplication of multiply table of 14. Yes, table of 14. Yes, like this we will write the table of 14. Now we will start doing division. Yes, now see what can be written under 91. 84 can be written, that is 14 6 the 84. Yes, so here 14 6 the 84. We will do subtraction. 11, here it will become 11 and here left 8. 11 minus 4 7 and here is 0. We will draw ending line. This is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor. Yes, now we will check our sum. Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Quotient multiply divisor, what is there? Yes, 6 multiplied by 14 plus remainder is 7. 14 6 the 84 plus 7 and here we got 91. Yes, in the question it was given to us 91. These both are matching, so our question is right. Yes, students, like this you will solve all the parts of sum number 1 in your maths notebook. Hope for your best. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.